This short video will walk you through the sample collection process. Please watch the entire video before you start. Keep in mind, you need to be fasting for at least 8 hours before collection. It's okay to drink water, black coffee, or tea without sugar or dairy. You will need to be well hydrated, so please drink 3 cups of water in the hour before collection. The collection process could take up to a half hour, so please plan accordingly. Your kit contains the items shown here. Place all contents on a clean work surface. Begin by filling in the date and time in the upper right-hand section of the test order form supplied by your healthcare provider. If you do not have a test order form, reach out to your provider. Next, write your name, date of birth, and collection date on the sample collection card or cards. Then, wash your hands with very warm water for at least 2 minutes to get your blood flowing. This is very important for a reliable sample collection. You can also improve blood flow by doing 15 jumping jacks, if appropriate for your situation. Clean your little finger or ring finger with an alcohol swab. Twist off the thin yellow tip of a lancet and place the white end firmly against the side of your clean fingertip. Press the yellow button until the lancet clicks. This will push a tiny needle into your fingertip. Remove the first drop of blood using a piece of gauze. Allow 4 to 7 large, free-falling blood drops to land on the top left square of the card. Do not touch your finger directly on the collection square. Do not put blood drops directly on either of the white rectangles on the right side of the card. Blood will migrate from the square to the rectangle. Next, place 4 to 7 drops of blood on the lower left square by repeating the above steps, using a new lancet if needed. If you have a second collection card, repeat the process for the upper and lower collection squares. Allow the collection card or cards to dry for 1 hour. Tear open the white blood sample return bag or bags at the notches. Place each dried collection card into its own separate sample return bag and seal. Place the blood sample return bag or bags inside the provided clear plastic bag. Then place the test order form into the outer pouch of the clear plastic bag. Place the clear plastic bag inside the pre-labeled shipping envelope and seal closed. Follow the written directions in your kit for more details about how to mail your specimen to the lab.